Hi, my name is Bill Evans from BYU-Idaho. Our project was with a company called Development Workshop. Development Workshop helps employees, those with handicaps or disabilities, to have jobs. The one that we helped work for, they built the entire, manufacture and built the entire flashlight assembly. They mold inject the body of the flashlight. And one of the parts that they've been having a difficult time assembling has been the reflector assembly. The reflector assembly includes the reflector, the light bulb, and the top. For us, this is very easy to assemble. You just put in a flashlight and you screw the top on. But those with disabilities, this could be a very difficult job if they only have access to one hand, or if they shake. Another problem is we needed to make sure they wouldn't touch the reflector area, because you don't want someone's fingerprints on your reflector of a flashlight. It doesn't reflect as well. The other problem is they were cutting themselves on the sharp edge. So we needed to come up with a way that they could easily screw on the top and give assistance to the entire assembly. Our solution was 3 different parts. The first part was the tray. This tray is designed to help those that are visually impaired. As you notice, there's a huge contrast between the 2 colors. The black is where you put the reflector in. It's made in a circle, so it's very simple to understand what's supposed to happen. There's no instructions needed. This is a 1/4 inch, and what it does is it gives some support so these reflectors, they don't fall out. They're very steady. So if someone's shaking or someone hits it, these bulbs aren't going to go flying out. This foam is a 1/2 inch foam, and it has a really good grip. Therefore, when they put the cap on, just by turning it, it will hold. Okay. So that was the first part of our project. The second part of the project was we formed a base to kind of help them if they were sitting down. This would give them a better angle. And the third part of this is we thought many of these people with with disabilities, they do not have fine motor skills. Instead, they have gross motor skills. And what that means is that a task of like screwing this on is very difficult. But a big movement is a lot easier for them. And so we started coming up with a solution. Basically, it would be kind of like one of those tops you push down and it turns. We looked on the market, and there was already something like this. This is a Yankee drill, or a push-pull drill. And I'm using this an adapter. We looked up to find it needed to rotate 1 3/4 turn, and so we found something that would fit our needs. And all you have to do is push, and it's on. Let me do this one more time. So you just push, 1 push, and it's tightened. So this just makes it really, really simple. How Development Workshop's going to use these 3 different things. They're actually going to make an assembly line. So we made 4 trays for them. The first person will come in, and they will fill the whole tray up with the reflectors and put the bulbs. They will take the tray off. We have formed this tray so you can easily remove the trays, and the tray will go to the second person. The second person will be in charge of putting the tops on. Once the top's on, all they have to do is to just do their 1 push and move on to the next. Now you will see a video of one of their employees performing this task. This employee, he hadn't been able to perform this task for a very long time because his tremors were so bad, and now he can perform this job. Because of this project, he will be able to help do this work.